Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And to do that, I have two main ways. One is sharing free content on my social media. If you go to my website, jeffersoncosta.com, you will find the links for all my social media. And the other way to do that is letting available a training program for people interested on having my mentoring. So to get this kind of support, if you are a student, graduate, or engineer that wants to learn from me how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design and have my personal support, you must join or you must enroll to the Inprocess Booster training program. And recently, many people has asked me when will be the next batch of the Inprocess Booster training program. And this video is to tell you that the next batch of the Inprocess Booster will be released on Monday. So if you are interested in having me as a mentor, having me as someone to support you in chemical process engineering and plant design, this will be your chance to enroll and to do your application. It's important to mention that it's not my objective or it's not my expertise to help people that are interested in research and development. This is not my expertise. I deal with chemical process engineering and plant design. So if you are a graduate and you are dealing with your project and it is a research project, most probably I am not the best person to support you. My main intention with the Inprocess Booster training program is to support people that are interested in chemical process engineering and design in a student level, graduate level, or engineer level. To have details about the syllabus, the program, the fees, the guarantees, and etc., all of that will be shared by email for the people that are subscribed for my mail list or for my newsletter list. And to join the newsletter list or the waiting list for the next batch, you just need to go to my website, jeffersoncosta.com. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.